Ladies and gentlemen, right now, we find ourselves on one of the most dangerous mountain roads in China, where colossal dump trucks are pushing their limits, carrying loads far beyond the legal capacity. These trucks aren't just vehicles, they are steel warriors on a death-defying path. Look at this. The truck in front of us, without a moment's rest, is climbing steep inclines on slick, muddy dirt roads, its wheels spinning in a frenzy, kicking up clouds of dust. But will it make it to its destination? The driver, his eyes glued to the steering wheel, knows that even a second of distraction could lead to a catastrophic accident. This is a Hao truck, one of China's leading heavy-duty brands, known for its ability to carry massive loads and its durability. But right now, it's bearing a load far beyond what the manufacturer intended. You can almost feel the immense pressure it's under, from the sheer weight of the cargo to the treacherous terrain beneath. What's about to happen? Look closely. The hydraulic bed is slowly lifting the load. But what's next? The pressure is so intense, the bed is trembling. And there it is. The oil hose just snapped. It's tipping. The massive steel giant crashes to the ground, its load spilling everywhere. Oil spreading like wildfire, an unimaginable, horrifying scene. Look at that convoy of trucks, like a massive steel train winding its way across the mountain peaks. The wheels are gripping onto the slick surface, not just facing rocky patches, but worn-out roads that seem ready to crumble at any moment. A single mistake could send an entire line of trucks plummeting into the abyss. Will these trucks make it through? Everything now depends on the driver's skills and the raw power of these Chinese war machines. Can you hear it? The creaking of the tiny bridge as a giant truck slowly makes its way across. This is a Dongfeng truck, one of China's most resilient models. But how far can resilience go when it's carrying a load way beyond its allowed capacity? Imagine the chassis groaning under the weight, the bridge pillars trembling, and it's all being held together by a few fragile cables. One tiny mistake, and the consequences would be disastrous.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go. Make yourself unstoppable.
One truck after another, pushing forward on this perilous journey. But not every truck will be so lucky. Accidents are lurking around every corner, and a simple failure like a broken oil hose, faulty brakes, or tipping while unloading can turn these trips into tragedies. They aren't just drivers, they are silent warriors, delivering goods to the farthest corners of the country. Their endurance and bravery are the key factors that help these Chinese trucks overcome the most grueling challenges. But who knows what other dangers lie ahead? Ladies and gentlemen, the journey of these dump trucks in China is never easy. From treacherous mountain roads and slippery slopes to overburdened loads, every challenge tests their limits. Stay tuned for the next chapter in this perilous journey. Will these steel warriors conquer the unforgiving terrain, or will they fall victim to the overwhelming weight they carry? Thank you for watching. What other challenges will these dump trucks face next? Don't miss the upcoming part of this thrilling journey.